This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a hurricane, flood, or tornado, official messages would have followed the alert tone. WABC-TV serves the New York area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Passion.
Rhythm.
Art.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Hampton County in western Massachusetts, Western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, including Northampton, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 5 miles southwest of Chester, or about 18 miles southeast of Pittsfield, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning area include...
This is a test of the emergency alert system. WRTV Indianapolis serves the Central Indiana area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This emergency alert system.
Last night, a firefight broke out in the Baghdad suburb of Fallujah.
Rockingham County.
Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina and Henry County in Martinsville in south-central Virginia until noon. At 11:25 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar and law enforcement officials were tracking a tornado on the ground near Middle Springs Road and Ellisburg Road heading toward Highway 220. The tornado was moving north at 30 miles an hour, and locations impacted include Maiden, Stoneville, Price, Martinsville Airport, Horse Pasture. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. This warning replaces the warning that was in effect until 11:30 for western Rockingham and eastern Stokes County. Please relay severe weather reports to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-866-215-4324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Friday afternoon for north-central North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. Repeating, the Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina and Henry County in Martinsville in south-central Virginia until noon.
Room of your house.
And cable systems of your area. Emergency alert system equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this has been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, flood, evacuation, toxic release, or any emergency that you, the public, should be timely alerted, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves as a vital part of the Louisiana State Emergency. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System.
Has issued a tornado warning for Preble County in Ohio until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This storm was located near Lewisburg and moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Locations in the path of the storm include Lewisburg. This storm is still capable of producing a tornado. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Thunderstorm warning for York County. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern York County and southwest Maine until 3:15 p.m. at 2:30 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Ossipee and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include but are not limited to Newfield and Waterboro. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely.
out on a quest. This is the B, probably.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this has been an actual emergency, such as a national alert, severe weather, or local emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the lower Hudson Valley area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Corner is going to adjust and get full contact area on those airbags.
Just have to go an extra ramming course.
Rider, if you're trying to fill it all together,
This is a test of the emergency alert system originating at the State of Wisconsin Emergency Operations Center. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been given official information, news, or instruction. This test is now concluded.
Rising in the Winter Games.
The Maryland State Police, at the request of Cecil County Sheriff's Office, have issued a Maryland Child Amber Alert for Hannah Lynn Harrigan. Hannah Lynn Harrigan is further described as being 3 feet and 42 pounds. The child was last seen wearing a pink coat, blue jeans, a black Hello Kitty long-sleeve shirt. The child was last observed at approximately 5:30 p.m. in the area of 5655 Telegraph Road in Elkton, Maryland. This child is believed to have been abducted by Peter Giles Peltier. Peter Giles Peltier, a white male described as being 5 feet 8 inches tall and 160 pounds. Suspect may be wearing a dark coat and a black hat. The possible suspect vehicle is a 1995 Ford Mustang convertible, forest green in color with a black roof. The vehicle has damage to the roof and several spots have silver and or black tape bearing Maryland registration 9EFL19. Anyone with information is asked to immediately call 911 or the Cecil County Sheriff's Office at 410-996-5511. Do not take action which could endanger your safety or further endanger the abducted child. All immediate inquiries should be directed to call 410-996-5511.